In this episode, I'm going to share with you some tips for when it comes to making design selections for your new home or renovation.
G'day guys, we're Al and Imo. We're a husband and wife duo with two beautiful daughters building our dream lifestyle one project at a time.
Welcome to the Good Day House series, where we'll be sharing fortnightly videos featuring how we built our house from the ground up. Although unfinished, the Good Day House is a modern, all-electric 7.5-star energy-efficient home situated in the beautiful coastal town of Torquay, about 5 minutes from iconic Bells Beach. Number 1, define your style and gather inspiration. If you're building with a partner, it's worth doing this together. Sit down and figure out what you're both drawn to. Aligning your tastes will ensure that you achieve a cohesive look throughout your home that reflects both of your personalities. Flip through design magazines, scroll through Pinterest, and collect images and ideas that inspire you. This visual inspiration will guide your decisions and help communicate your vision when you go to make your selections. We created a document which outlined all of our inspiration images, and we took that shopping with us and continued to refer to it throughout the build. Take measurements. Grab your tape measure and get the dimensions of the spaces where your new items will go. Again, create a document so that you can easily access this information when you're on the go out shopping. Number 3, create a wish list. So work your way through each room in the house, whether that's on your plans or in real life, and take notes of what you need to have and what would be nice to have. Make sure you include fixtures, lighting, power points, light switches, window furnishings, and furniture items. Number 4, consider functionality. Think about how each room will be used and select items that will make your spaces easier to live in. Functional and organized spaces make for a much happier home. Number 5, budget realistically. Set a budget that you're comfortable with, and don't forget to include a buffer for unexpected expenses. Prioritize your spending based on your needs and then add items in from your wish list in the rooms where you'll actually spend the most time. So now that you have your measurements, your inspiration, and your list that you need, it's time to hit the shops. And here are a few tips that we've picked up along the way. Number 1, find the right showrooms. Before you go shopping, do a little bit of research and find showrooms that actually align with your style and needs. Check if they require you to make an appointment. Lots of specialized showrooms often suggest that you book in with a consultant who can guide you through their options. We personally loved going to showrooms so that we had the option to touch and feel and test products. Number 2, bring along your swatches and samples. So if possible, bring swatches of your paint colors, fabric samples from your curtains, or even piece of your countertop like we did with our timber. This helps ensure that your new fixtures will match with your existing color palette. Number 3, ask lots of questions. I would say one of the best parts of this build was learning so much from the experts that we met along the way. They are a wealth of knowledge and will steer you in the right direction. Listen and learn. Number 4, make a spec sheet. So once you've actually finalized all of your selections, create a spec sheet. This is a spreadsheet that outlines all of your selections. It includes an image, dimensions of the product, the color, and the product links. I refer to this document almost daily, and it was such a handy resource to have on hand for us and also to share with our trades. Number 5, trust your gut. We are so spoilt for choice when it comes to design and products that are available on the market, which is great, but it can also be incredibly overwhelming. From my experience, I found that most of the time I ended up picking the items I liked in the first place. So I'm going to leave you with this: trust your gut and go with things that feel right for your home. This is your space and it should bring you joy and comfort. So don't worry about trends. Just think about what really brings you joy. And if you see something that you really like and it might be a little bit bold, go for it because you will not regret it. Some of my favorite decisions we made in the house was when we went bold instead of safe. Enjoy the process, have fun. And if you'd like to learn more about the suppliers and products that we've used, you can follow the links below that will take you through to a blog post that outlines all of the details for you. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit subscribe to more home build design and DIY content.